So as you can see, this is extremely different for me. I wanted to go for a look of Chyna, the WWE wrestler, who unfortunately is no longer with us, but I was extremely inspired by her. I want to do a series where I do makeup inspired by certain people, certain wrestlers, because I'm a massive wrestling fan. I have been since I was young. I used to watch it with my grandpa and grandma. Um, China was always one that really stuck out to me. She has a really special place in my heart. We have a lot of similarities. She had, because she's no longer with us, of course. She had a lot of mental health issues, as I do, and she just wanted to be loved. She just wanted to be appreciated and be loved. So I wanted to dedicate this video to the ninth wonder of the world, Chyna. I did hair kind of inspired by like the Mamacita with Eddie Guerrero Chyna. I did the makeup inspired by when she used to fight women. And then I did the pose. That pose was inspired by the beginning of Chyna when she grappled onto Marlena, like her debut when she was the bodybuilder Chyna. When she started to slim down, that's when she kind of did this makeup. It's just inspired by, obviously, I know I look nothing like her. It bears repeating, I look nothing like her. But I want to do a video series dedicated to the women who kind of affected me the most other than my family. So I want to do something on like Monster Ripper, Luna Vachon, like really notable looks. I have to figure out how I'm going to do Luna Vachon because I have to do a side shave. So I don't know how I would do that. But I'll try to figure that out, of course. I really wanted to do this. This is not about being pretty for me. I know that this is not the look for me. I know that black hair is not for me. Black hair with a smoky eye and a dark lip, I look rough. There's no highlighter, there's no contour. I wanted to keep it really true to what Chyna used to wear. And obviously it was 90s, so they did like the ombre lip with the darker on the outside. They did no highlight, no contour. I did my brows a bit thinner. So, you know, it's really just for fun. It's not meant to look pretty because this does not look pretty on me. Of course, it looked excellent on Chyna, but it's definitely not my get down. So I really hope you guys like it. I know that this is not really something that most people are going to gravitate towards because I don't know about the makeup and hair community. They really feel about wrestling. But it's whatever, honestly. I'm just gonna do what I want to do, and I really, really Chyna meant a lot to me. So thank you guys so much for checking out the video. I hope you like. Once again, it bears repeating. I know I look nothing like Chyna. I can't pull this off. She had the bone structure and she had a beautiful face. So thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means more to me than I can describe that you would take the time out of your day to watch a video of me. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, so I'm just thinning my eyebrows out, putting a brown in the crease. It's very simple. I'll put products down below. Packing a black eyeshadow on. Putting foundation on. It's a very simple look. There's not a lot of face products that went on. It was like foundation, powder, blush. For the eyes, it was black on the lid, brown in the crease, thinned out my eyebrows a little bit. The blush I used was a mix of brown and pink because when I looked at Chyna's photos, they were a brown and pink mix. Some of them were brown, some of them were pink, so I thought to throw them together. Threw some lashes on, and then put some lips on. Now the lips were a little dark, so I just put some white in the center. And here I am just fixing my hair to look as Chyna as possible. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.